Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot connect to this network error in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to connect with the Wi-Fi network, you must see the errors which is cannot connect to this network. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing I recommend you have to flush or delete all the DNS from your system. And now to do this, you just have to simply press Windows plus R to open run command. You can also right click on this start button, then select run. And here you have to enter this code which is ipconfig space and then forward slash flush DNS. Once you have entered this, you just have to press enter or click on OK. So it will clear or remove or delete all the DNS connected with your system. Once I've done this, you just have to go to settings, and in settings, just go to network and internet. Just scroll down and look for advanced network settings. Then just look for network reset. Then select reset now. Then click on yes. And once you have clicked on yes, all of your network settings will be resetted. And once your network setting will be resetted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.